severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service
As you can tell, it calmed down from the tornado warnings.
Southern Madison County, northwestern Hancock County, northeastern.
Finally, break from severe thunderstorms coming. But not after it already claimed 3 storm chasers' lives a few days ago in Texas, including the legend Kelly Williams.
Miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Seriously.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to
That's the problem with that. Even though I said it's manual, it still tries to scan for weather radio.
Hummel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Westfield, McCordsville, Pendleton, Fortville.
Although I was not preparing to record so many alerts today, or even record a hail, especially at ping pong sized hail. You guys should definitely go check out that video. I will include my final annotation ever on YouTube on the top of the video.
Thunderstorm lines can produce freak tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Come on, we're going to Muncie shortly, which means hopefully my 12-259 won't keep repeating shoo for KJY 93 since it's located in Muncie. And I think we're even heading to that part of Muncie as well.